Hey everyone, did you know your blood type can tell you some pretty surprising things not just about your health, but also your personality, how your body reacts to food, and even some fun facts you might never have guessed. Today, we're going to explore all the secrets of blood types, so stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know some amazing things about yourself and maybe your friends too. So first, let's talk about what blood actually is. Blood isn't just red liquid running through your veins. It's made up of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma, all working together to keep you alive. But what makes each person's blood unique are tiny markers called antigens on the surface of red blood cells. These antigens determine your blood type, A, B, OV, or O. There's also something called the Rh factor, which can be positive or negative, and it plays a very important role during blood transfusions and pregnancy. Knowing your blood type isn't just interesting, it can actually save your life in an emergency. Now let's dive into the fascinating details about each blood type and what makes them special. Blood type A is one of the most common types, making up about 40% of the world's population. People with this blood type are often calm, responsible, and very patient, but they can be a little sensitive to stress. Studies show that their immune systems may not be as strong as other types, so they need to take care of themselves carefully. If you're type A, your best foods include fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and plant-based proteins. Red meat should be eaten sparingly because it can be harder for your body to digest. Fun fact, many type A people do very well in jobs or activities that require organization, focus, and patience. Next up, blood type B. This group makes up around 10% of the world population. People with blood type B are usually creative, independent, and sometimes unpredictable. They are flexible and can adapt well to changing situations. Their immune systems tend to be strong, and they often enjoy a wide variety of activities. When it comes to diet, type B does well with chicken, fish, dairy products, and lots of fresh vegetables. Heavy, processed foods or too much wheat might not sit well with them. A fun cultural fact, in some parts of Asia, people with type B are thought to be adventurous and optimistic problem solvers. Then there's blood type AB, the rarest of all, found in only about 4% of people worldwide. AB individuals are often described as intelligent, logical, social, and a little mysterious. They are highly empathetic and usually very good at understanding other people's feelings. Their ideal diet includes fish, fresh vegetables, and low-fat dairy, while highly processed foods and fatty meats are best avoided. Because OV is so rare, people with this type are often considered unique in personality, and sometimes even in the roles they take on in work or social groups. Finally, blood type O, the most common type, making up roughly 45% of the global population. People with type O are generally energetic, social, confident, and natural leaders. They tend to have strong immune systems and do really well with high-protein diets, including lean red meat, fish, and plenty of vegetables. Carbohydrates like white bread and rice should be limited for optimal health. Fun fact, O-types are sometimes called hunters because historically, their bodies were adapted for high activity and endurance. Here's something really interesting about blood donation. People with type O can donate blood to almost anyone. They are known as universal donors. On the other hand, OV types can receive blood from all other groups, making them universal receivers. This is why type O blood is always in high demand at blood banks. It truly can save lives in emergencies. Blood types can even affect certain health risks. For instance, Type O people may have a lower risk of heart disease, but a slightly higher risk of stomach ulcers. Type A individuals may be more prone to stress-related conditions. Type B has been linked to stronger immune responses to some infections, and Type A may face a slightly higher risk of cognitive issues later in life. And here's a fun little fact: mosquitoes are said to prefer Type O blood over other types. So if you find yourself getting bitten more often, your blood type might be partly to blame. Culturally, in some countries like Japan, people believe blood type is tied to personality traits and even to compatibility in relationships or work. While this isn't scientifically proven, it's fascinating to see how deeply blood type can influence social beliefs. So now it's your turn. What's your blood type? And do you think the personality traits we just talked about match you? Drop your blood type in the comments below. And if you enjoy these fun and surprising facts about blood, don't forget to check out our other videos for more amazing health and science insights. Remember, blood type is more than just a label. It's a small window into your body, your health, and even a bit of who you are.